one thing about Bangkok, I love the morning time. Well, the whole Thailand, yeah, Thailand morning, man, is probably the best feeling because it's pretty cool. So I'm staying right here at this hotel. I think what's that? Sacha Uno. Sacha Hotel Uno. Yeah, it's pretty reasonable price. It's a very nice hotel. So I'm gonna go do a little bit walking around here to go see a market down the street. See what that market is all about. Yeah, I'm gonna when I get back, I'm gonna add the clip of the hotel video, the inside the hotel at the end of the video, just so you can see what Hotel Sacha Uno looks like from the inside, just in case if anybody want to come stay there. I just had breakfast, but I'm gonna somebody cup. I just had breakfast. I'm gonna come here and look at the little market, anyways. Somebody cup. Oh, they got some fried. They got some fried eggs and fried rice. That's a loud bird for a small little guy. Chill tables, kitchen and bar. Swadee Cup. Yeah, you would never be hungry in Thailand, I'll tell you that for sure. Oh, I think I'm here, but I'm not 100% sure. Is this it already?
Yeah.
Okay, so I am here. I didn't use my mic this morning. It is really loud here. Okay, so I guess that was it. We'll go back. Let's go check out some food. Up. looks really good. Like a wrap sausage hot dog. Yeah, what this looks like is one of those places where people just grabbing breakfast before they go to work, school, and stuff. That looks really good. Is this หมูไหมครับอ๋อโอเคหมู I think I'm gonna go get this. So I saw something. Okay, yeah, this is something for. เท่าไหร่ครับฮะ10 บาทyou want one you know
Yeah,
okay
this one.
ไม่เหมือนกันไหม
ไม่เหมือนกัน
อะไรครับ
อันนี้เนื้อ อันนี้เอ็นเนื้อ
เอ็นเนื้อโอเคเอาเอ็นเนื้อ
เอากี่ไม้คะ
เอา2ครับ
แล้วไหมคะ
นี่ว่าอะไรyeah yes
รัดเลยนะคะ
อ่ะฮะ
รัดเลยนะคะ
อ่ะฮะ I understand Thai but เข้าใจภาษาไทยแต่พูดไม่อ่าฮะ yeah that's 20 okay okay โอเคขอบคุณครับ Oh, some will sell out. Let me see. I think that's it. There's not really much more going on here. I'm gonna find a place to sit.
To the city streets, we began to feel the fire. We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals they take us higher.
VIP Auto Sport.
It has just begun as she puts her hand in mine. Chase the night.
Where? Oh, the bar? Let's drink and talk shit. Let me see.
Sky just two hearts running.
ทานได้เลย
Never sleep, never stop. As we shout from the top, we're
I'm gonna cut the video out here. I'll see you guys next time. Here's the room tour.
Now the morning is the afternoon. We lay awake in bed. The lights so
Yeah,
loud
Little fridge.
as the hours pass. We're gonna do it
A
all
little fridge, TV.
again.
All the plugs
We
that you
wanna
need.
chase the night, wanna dance to the light. Pull the stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never
Little
stop.
stove.
As we shout from the top, we're gonna be.
This is the view of the
We're gonna be.
Sukhumvit night tea.
Two hearts running wild.